Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tash, and today I know you see that my eyebrows are done. I'm sitting in a weird position. It's not really weird, but my face is very close to the camera because I really want to do this makeup video for you guys. I've been procrastinating it for so long. Like everything in my life is trying to interfere with me just doing this video. Like pimples be popping up, like I had a breakout here, as you can see my skin's been acting up. I need to go get me a facial, but the show must go on. And so today, we're in the month of March and St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so let's talk about that gold. And you know what about getting a green color from one of these selections? I think I'm probably gonna go with this dark green. This looks like the green that I used to wear in high school, or maybe this aqua blue right here, or one of these greens. Let me try to figure this out. So yes guys, I've been away for a while. I'm supposed to be consistent. Like I told myself, like, girl, you're gonna be consistent no matter what, but here we are. So first and foremost, let me tell you, I did my eyebrows. I filled them in my eyebrow pencil, light brown to match my skin tone and my hair color. Also, I put on my foundation and my primer, and my primer, Baby Skin Maybelline, and foundation, LA Girl Beautiful Bronze. Drugstore, can't go wrong. And now I am just going to be patting on. Oh wait, I'm gonna use, it's a bit messy because I have it in my makeup bag, but my NYX eyeshadow base, because I'm using bold colors today. Like I'm going all out. So I'm going to just use my brush. Wait, let me use my mirror and just pat this on over my lid so my eyeshadow goes on very easily, as well as comes off very easily, because sometimes with glitters and certain you know bronzers and stuff, you get difficulty taking off the makeup. But hey, you can't go wrong with baby oil or coconut oil when taking off your makeup. So I put a little bit too much on this brush. However, it's gonna be needed because I'm using bold pigmented colors today. I got this palette off Pretty Little Things, and I just think that it was a beautiful palette, and I never bought makeup from them, so let's see. So a lot of the products I'll be using today: my bronzer, my eyeshadow brush. Not this one. This one was plain old drugstore, but it's gonna be Pretty Little Things. All right. So guys, as you can see, I'm just taking the brushes out the package. This is the E13 Oval Eyeshadow Fluff Brush, and I'm gonna use it to apply my base shadow in my crease. So based on how I'm feeling today, I feel like I'm going to go, oh, I didn't show you the name of the palette. It's called La Rock, L-A-R, wait, let me turn it around. Life of a YouTuber, a new tuber. Is that a word? I'm just creating my own words. So La Rock. So oh, I didn't show you guys. So it came with this palette, and I also have another one down here with like the warmer tones, hardy tones. So we are going for the shmoney. So I'm gonna go with this green right here. It seemed very pigmented and seemed right up the alley for the occasion. So I can't do this looking at my phone. I gotta use my mirror. I have a mirror right here. Sorry, it's dirty. Life of a YouTuber. Anyways, I'm gonna be just patting onto my lid. and it's very pigmented, as you guys should be able to see. Very pigmented. Look, see that? I love that. So I'm gonna continue doing it till I get the desired green all over my eyes. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Hope you guys have been productive, you're healthy, you know, keeping those affirmations up and running and making sure, you know, the devil doesn't have no room, and I mean no room for errors. Like, there's no error in this life. I mean, you know, things gonna come, but don't let it keep you down, and don't let it slow you down, don't let it stop you, you know. That's what the devil wants. He wants to stop, block, and destroy. Come to kill, steal, and destroy. I've been on this motivational rant ever since I've been reading Erica Campbell's book, More Than Pretty, and I'm telling you guys, you need to read this book, especially young females that's just coming out into the world. And she is Grammy nominated, and she's won awards. She's lived and experienced and traveled, and this lady, like, she grew up in a church. Like, it is so good to see and refreshing to see Christians who are just authentic and just being their real self. But because I don't want this video to be an hour long, I want it to be minimum 20 minutes, maximum 25 minutes. So let me get my Morphe E22 brush. This is to help fluff the crease, so I'm gonna work on that. So no harsh lines. You don't want to seem like, you know, you're just throwing on a green shade on your lid. And I'm gonna put this mirror a bit down and look down and keep it at an angle. Oh, you guys can't see. Let me do this. See how it's being blended? That's what you're aiming for. However, I'm not done yet. Your girl is going to be bold today, and I'm going to add a lighter shade on the front, and I think I want to go for I don't want to go for a blue, even though blue could look good. Ooh, decisions. I think I'm going to go for this sparkly green right here. This sparkly green right here. And I'm just going to, it has more of a, it's not a sparkly green, it has more of a shimmer to it. Look at my edge control in my hair. I'm telling you, if everything can go wrong in one day, it will, but this video will continue. And don't worry about the makeup. I normally do my contouring after, so my makeup that falls off my eye when it goes on my skin, or even if you normally do your contour before, just go over back with some concealer and you're good to go. But I want you guys to see the shimmer, see how that's looking, and I'm just gonna do that to the next eye. Guys, when you're doing your makeup, it doesn't have to be cutthroat, you know, where everything has to be done at the same time, because I'm still gonna go in and do tweaks and observe both my eyes and make sure that they're symmetrical to the best of my ability. But let's do this, fluff it. Ooh. Alright, now I'm ready to add my color. And voila. So I'm just gonna clean up my eyes and perfect how I want my eyes to be angled. So as you can see, I've smudged the other eye and I put on my liners. So now I'm just gonna do the same to the other side. Now I'm just gonna go to the lower bottom of my eyes after lining them, and I'm just going to smudge the green underneath them. So I'm gonna start off first with the pigmented green, and then after with the shimmer right at the beginning of my tear duct. So I'm just bringing the color down, keeping that bold, rich vibes going. And I'm doing it for the dramaticness that I want for the eye look, because with money, I know we want to go big. So why am I going to be holding back, you know? Okay, so see, it's coming along. So I just put some of the shimmer in my tear duct. See that glow going on, girl? It's all coming together. Yes. Manifesting money, manifesting wealth in all areas of our lives. It's not just money, but the look of the Irish is here and it's to live for. We're not dying for anything over here. Nope, not happening. So I'm just gonna go back in being the person that I am, and I'm gonna be a little bit extra, and I want to add this gold shade I have in my palette right here. When I had this gold, where is it, that right there, to the center of my eyes, to like just make it a little bit more emphasized that I'm not talking about like green wealth, I'm talking about the source, like the Cleopatra wealth type of thing, you know what I'm saying? Just to give it a little bit more pop, because you don't want everything to look one-dimensional. Look, let me give you guys a close-up. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? So with makeup, I just love to plane it. I've always been a type of person that's been artistic. So because I have that gold going on right there, I'm gonna be a little bit frisky and go under and get me some gold underneath my wing right here. Because you have to be bold, okay? You can't look like no ordinary person that just put on shadow or know to blend eyeshadow. You have to stand out. I know this will look so much better with an angle brush, but hey, I gotta make do with what I have and get this gold. So wait, I gotta hide it on a little bit more because I want y'all to see the gold and know I'm golden. I mean, I'll clean it up. It's gonna look more uniform as I put on my concealer and my foundation. So let me just focus. Let me focus on making me a golden goddess of wealth. Alright, I think she's arrived. Now check out my eyes. Don't I look like a golden goddess of wealth? Okay, now that we have the money part secured and what we want for wealth, let's move on to the next step. So I know that it's all good and well if you don't know anything about makeup. Makeup is just an outlet of your artistic ability. You don't have to know everything step by step. It's just your means and ways of expressing yourself. And I'm going to be using this concealer from MAC. Oh God, no! I was doing so good. Don't break it. What's my shade? Oh, I showed you guys. I'm a little bit. So I'm just gonna apply my concealer to the areas where I want to conceal. I need my mirror for this. And a little bit goes a long way, people. You don't need to overdo it. Like, alright, I look like I'm about to fight a war. Who's coming with me? And this is NYX. I stay true to my drugstore products concealer, and it's in the shade Deep Espresso. So just going to do light dabs because I don't want to look too dark. For the look that I'm going for today. And you need to make sure that the nose is covered. Okay, in the cheekbone. The reason why I'm not, putting a large amount because it's liquid, and liquid, it's gonna blend very easier than. See, look how easy it blends in. So, from long as you have a wet beauty blender, just go ahead and start blending. And that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I'm already breaking the record for this video. It's supposed to be a shorter time. Alright, so as you can see, I'm non-conventional and I'm doing it a little. I'm doing this a little bit different because normally people would do their concealer, then their, you know what I'm trying to say. The lighter concealer is normally the one being used first. I was going so well too. Anyways, I'm not gonna end on that note. So get that pat in my skin, make you see that bronze goddess, and then I'm gonna use the bottom and do the I'm just going to use my sponge today because it's damp and it helps me to go faster. So it's tapping it into my skin. That's the process, that's the life. If any corrections, I just go in, smile. I know a lot of y'all may be wondering, like, I look crazy, so I'm gonna blend this and come back on camera because I look crazy. So now I got this setting powder from Pretty Little Things. It's Sleep Makeup, and I'm just gonna apply my setting powder to my face. So I set my face and now I'm lining my lips. So I am using my chestnut lip pencil, and I'm just gonna line my lips. So because my eyes have so much going on, I don't really want to go for a red lip. However, we're going big or we're going home. Okay, stay tuned. So guys, I'm a sucker for red lip, okay? A good red lip, Ruby Woo. Do your thing, girl, and pop my lips, pop it. I mean, if you're not into this bold, like, it looks like Christmassy, but I can't lie, I love me a good red lip. When you invest in good makeup, you get good stuff. Alright, so this is the red lip, right? But if you want to tone it down just a little bit, I'm going to use, you know what? I'm going to put a little shimmer onto my lips too because we're flowing money towards us. So I'm going to use my good old-fashioned Victoria's Secret lip gloss. And I'm going to go over my lip and give my red a little sheen, just a little. This lip gloss tastes good too. So now I'm just gonna add my bronzer. So it's Glamour Bronze Morph, whatever you want to call it. And let me tell you, people, take a look ahead. So things be falling, you know, but the show must go on. I'm just trying to find my brush, and I'm gonna bronze my cheeks up. Are you ready? Are you ready? You see that? Talk nice to me, baby. But hey, this is just a bronzer. We ain't put on our eyeliner yet, you know? So, my eyeliners from the same place. Pretty Little Things. I Love Revolution eyeliner. It's a apple. I thought it was gonna smell like a apple or a fruity smell, but it's not really. It just has a beautiful packaging. Looks like a apple. When I open my apple, I see Golden Goddess. I see the future that I believe in. And I'm just gonna pat her. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right. I never thought. And the thing with eyeliner is if you put too much, you can always go back. I'm just gonna put some underneath my brow. This is not the brush you use, people, but I'm freehanding right now. Just a little bit on my nose, a little bit above my lip. And yes, like, talk nice to me. So, what y'all think? And let me show you the final product. But hey, y'all should stop me with all them gel marks in my hair. Guess what? My eyes. I need my lashes on. So to finish off this green goddess of wealth, I'm just gonna spray my finishing spray all over my face. Are you ready? So this is my makeup look, guys. I so enjoyed doing this video. It's been way past the max and the minimum time that I, set for myself. Anyways, I feel so good know that I could complete this video for you guys, and you can see this beautiful look. Even though my pimples right here, you're trying to send a message, like. However, I am loving it, and I just put on some dramatic lashes to help bring the look together, because you can't be a goddess and just be a basic goddess. Like, you have to go all out. And I stick with my red lip, but I just soften it a little bit with a little lip gloss, and I had my eyeliner. And yeah, that's it for me for today. Thanks for stopping by, and come back again and see another video. Matter of fact, hit that notification bell so you can be alert whenever I post a video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you another time, fam. Hey, family. I always say family. Bye, guys.